A casket panel insert beautifies and personalizes the inside lid of a casket, creating a meaningful focal point during a viewing, visitation, or funeral service. But before ordering a custom panel, getting the correct measurements is critical. The panel needs to fit securely and blend naturally with the rest of the casket's interior. If the measurements are off, the insert may not sit properly inside the lid. But with the right dimensions, a custom casket panel can fit neatly, look cohesive, and create a beautiful tribute for your loved one. Welcome to the funeral program site. In this video, we will walk you through how to measure the casket panel lid for a half-couch custom casket panel insert. This is an important step because every casket can be slightly different, and the custom insert needs to be made according to the actual space inside the lid. A personalized casket panel can add beauty, color, and meaning to the interior of the casket. It can include a favorite photo, name, dates, scripture, floral design, military tribute, religious theme, or another background that reflects your loved one's personality and legacy. By taking a few careful measurements before ordering, you can help ensure the finished panel fits properly and creates a polished, respectful presentation. We will show you where to measure, how to measure the width and height, and what to do if you want a slightly tighter fit. Once you have the correct dimensions, you can submit them to the funeral program site and order a custom-made casket panel created especially for your loved one's service. A casket panel is the decorative fabric insert located on the inside top lid of the casket. In many standard caskets, this panel is plain or made from material that matches the interior lining. A custom casket panel replaces that standard insert with a personalized design created specifically for the family. For a half-couch casket, the panel is usually located inside the upper lid area above the open portion of the casket. This is the area that is visible during a viewing or visitation, making it a special place for a personalized memorial tribute. Casket panels are designed to fit snugly inside the casket lid. When the correct dimensions are provided, they usually do not require pins, tape, glue, or adhesives. The panel should rest securely inside the lid area and look like it belongs with the rest of the casket interior. Before you begin measuring, make sure you are measuring the actual panel that will be replaced. If you are unsure which part of the casket lid should be measured, ask the funeral director or funeral home staff to help confirm the correct panel area. They can often assist you in identifying the insert and making sure the measurements are taken from the right location. To measure the width, place your measuring tape at the far left edge of the current casket panel. Then measure straight across to the far right edge. This measurement will give you the width of the custom casket panel insert. Next, measure the height. Place your measuring tape at the very top edge of the current panel and measure straight down to the bottom edge. This measurement will give you the height of the panel insert. It is important to measure carefully and write the numbers down clearly. Double-check both the width and height before submitting your order. If possible, use a soft measuring tape because it is easier to work with inside the casket lid area. You may also want to take a photo of the panel area and keep it with your notes. This can be helpful if someone else is helping place the order, or if the funeral home needs to confirm the area where the panel will be inserted. If you would like a slightly tighter fit, you may add 1/4 of an inch to the final height and width of your measurements. This allows the panel to sit more securely inside the lid area. However, if the funeral home gives you specific instructions, always follow their recommendation first. Once you have your final measurements, submit the width and height to the funeral program site when placing your custom casket panel order. Each casket panel insert is custom-made to fit your specific dimensions, helping create a clean, polished, and personalized presentation. The funeral program site offers hundreds of backgrounds, themes, and styles to choose from. Families can select floral designs, scenic landscapes, religious backgrounds, angel themes, patriotic tributes, military designs, or a custom look centered around a loved one's photo and favorite colors. A personalized casket panel is more than just a decorative insert. It is a final tribute, a meaningful display, and a beautiful way to honor the life, faith, personality, and memory of someone deeply loved. Whether used during a viewing, visitation, funeral service, or celebration of life, a custom casket panel can help create a warm and memorable presentation that brings comfort to family and friends. To order your custom-made casket panel insert for both half and full couch panels, head on over to thefuneralprogramsite.com. Thanks for watching. As always, I'll see you in the next video.